Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to start with the fourth chapter, fourth lesson of your supplementary reader book, A Pact with the Sun. And the name of the chapter is The Old Clock Shop. Okay? So it's a very interesting story, students. For that, you have to listen as well as watch it carefully. Right? So let us start the story. Christmas Eve had arrived. That means it was Christmas Eve. Okay, Christmas evening thi. Okay, as last minute shoppers were going home, a thick white sheet of snow lay over the Salt Lake City, USA. So the stories of USA, right? So since it was Christmas, so you all know in Christmas comes in December and it's too cold at that time. बहुत ठंड होती है उस time पे, right? Okay, so all because it was evening, so everyone was shutting their shops just to go home and celebrate Christmas. Okay, so every shopkeeper was there just shutting the shops or closing the shops, and they were going home to celebrate Christmas, right? So it was there was a white sheet of snow. That means it was snow sheet tha. It was like a sheet where over Salt Lake City in USA. So it was all the trees and all of them were covered with snow because it was December, right? Yet the lights were still burning in old clock shop. But there was an old clock shop that was there. Lights were still burning in that shop. That means the owner of the shop was still there in that shop. Okay, बाकी सब जा रहे थे, but that owner was there in the shop. Which shop? Old clock shop. ठीक है? As Ray is, who's Ray? Ray is the name of the owner of that old clock shop. उस ओल्ड क्लॉक शॉप के जो ओनर थे उनका नाम था रे, राइट? इट्स ओल्ड डेफ ओनर एंड ही वॉज डेफ. दैट मीन्स he was not able to hear anything. He couldn't hear anything. Okay, उनको कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता था रे को. Okay, he was the owner of that shop. Worked on a clock he had sold that day. Okay, so he was just working on that clock. Okay, वो किसी clock पे work कर रहे थे जो उन्होंने उस दिन सेल की थी. Okay. Now, having finished his work, Ray stood up and was on his way to the back room when an old rush of air from the front door hit the back of his neck. Okay, students, let me tell you one thing about Ray. That Ray is, obviously I have told you, he is deaf, right? Old deaf owner है वो shop के. And what is his work in that shop? उनका work क्या है shop पे? Like people come to him with stuff like whatever they want to keep. Okay, तो वो उस material को, whether it's a watch or anything, they just bring that stuff to him and he gives them money or loan them money. Okay, in return, right? आप किसी के पास जाते हो, आप अपना कुछ सामान उनको देते हो and in return वो आपको money देते हैं. That is the work of Ray in this shop. Okay, so that day he got a watch, okay, on which he was working, and he finished his work and he was he just stood up and was on his way to back room. So he was going to his back room when suddenly what happened? Cold rush of air in front door hit the back of his neck. So suddenly what happened? Cold rush of air. That means cold wind came from the door. Okay, as if door open हुआ उनकी shop का and cold wind आई because it was cold outside, right? So cold wind came to him. He turned to meet a last minute shopper. So who was he at the door? Last minute shopper. Last minute means जो end time पे आते हैं. Last minute shopper. Shopper means the one who comes for shopping. Okay. So who was there at the door? Last minute shopper. But his old wise eyes told him that this was not a shopper. Okay, but since he was old, Ray was old, so his eyes, the eyes of the visitor, जो shop पे visitor आए थे, उनको देख के रे को लगा that actually he is not a shopper, he is someone else. Because he was not a visitor, right? He was new there. He was not a shopper, he thought. He saw two men on one in his 20s. So two men came to his shop. Two men came to his shop. One in his 20s. That means he was young. Around 20s age थी उनकी, right? 20 plus age थी. And other one closer to 50. And other one was old enough. Okay. The younger man remained at the door. But जो younger थे, जो छोटे थे ना, the younger man, he remained at the door. वो door पे ही थे. right? And the older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness. Okay, so the younger one was waiting at the door. Younger one जो थे, he was waiting at the door. He was he remained at the door, and the older one, he approached the counter. Counter means that the table that is there, na? Okay, so where the owner is there. So he came at the counter with no sign of friendliness. That means he was not smiling, and it was like he was very rude sort of in his eyes, right? Ray was able to hide his growing fear as he slowly pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter, because I have told you that Ray was deaf. He was a deaf owner. So what did he do? He just slowly pushed a notepad. Okay, notepad, a writing, you have those small notebooks sort of, on which you can write notes on anything, right? So he pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter. अच्छा, उन्होंने उनकी तरफ क्या एक क्या पास किया? A notepad and a pencil, so that he could write. Okay, so that the old man who came at the shop, जो शॉप पे एक old man आए थे, वो उनके लिए कुछ लिख सकें कि actually उन्हें क्या चाहिए, because Ray was deaf, so he was not able to hear. Okay, so he just passed a notepad and a pencil so that the shopper, the one who came, can write whatever he wants. Okay, so he just pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter. Okay, एक notepad और एक pencil उन्होंने वहाँ पे उनको दे दिया, so that वो लिख सके कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए. Okay, as you can see in the picture also, Ray has kept a notepad and a pencil there so that the old man can write whatever he wanted. Okay, he smiled at the unfriendly face. Now who is he? He means Ray. Ray ne smiled to that unfriendly face, then pointed to his ears and shook his head from side to side, right? As if he just pointed towards his ear. उन्होंने अपने ears की तरफ इशारा किया, and he said, and he just shook his head. Shook means just to move. उन्होंने अपने head को move किया from one side to another, as if he wanted to say that he is deaf. That means he couldn't hear anything. वो उन्हें बता रहे थे कि वो कुछ सुन नहीं सकते हैं. That's why he had pushed that notepad and a pencil there. A quick look of surprise changed the man's face as he studied the notepad. Then suddenly, and he then turned and said something to his friend. Okay, as soon as he came to know, जैसे उन्हें पता चला, that old man, जैसे ही उन्हें पता चला that this Ray was a deaf man, he suddenly looked towards the younger man who was standing at the door. Door पे भी एक man खड़ा था ना, right? So he just looked towards him. Okay, and he just said something to him. Okay, slowly. Ray used the chance to look closely at the man, paying attention to the shape of a gun and a restless hand in the man's right coat pocket. So he suddenly, Ray just closely looked at the man. उन्होंने पास से देखा, and he just paid. उन्होंने क्या देखा? That there was a gun which was there in his pocket, and one hand was there in man's right coat pocket. और जो उनकी कोट की right pocket में थे, वहाँ पे एक hand था, and other one, a gun was there in the pocket of that man, right? A pocket was there in which gun was there. Anger boiled within him, but it was kept down by an inner voice that said, "Be still." He wrote on the notepad, "May I help you?" So he just wrote on the, obviously he was angry. Okay, but quickly what did he do? He thought that he should act wisely. उन्हें थोड़ा wisely work करना होगा. Okay, because he was alone there and two men were there, right? So he thought that they were robbers. कि वो कौन हैं? Robbers हैं, चोरी करने के लिए आए हैं. Okay, so he said, he just wrote on the notepad. He wrote, "May I help you?" Okay, he just wrote, "May I help you?" For the first time, the older man looked directly at Ray and smiled. For the first time. Okay, because they were robbers. Okay, वो robbers थे. But Ray asked him that, "May I help you?" क्या मैं आपकी कोई help कर सकता हूँ? So this changed that the man. Okay, and he smiled looking at Ray. A cruel mocking smile. So it was a cruel, but a smile was there. Okay, cruel mocking smile. They both understood why he was there, why his friend remained at the door. Okay, why his friend remained at the door? So as soon as someone comes, so that person at the door can tell that someone is coming. Okay, ऐसा होता है जब चोरी होती है तो क्या होता है? Someone is there at the door, so that he may keep a watch that if someone comes, then quickly robbers can escape. Okay, so they looked like men who were down on their luck and were now ready to try something they would later be sorry about. So they were like, they will do something bad to Ray, but with the smile and the thing that was written by Ray, that may I help you, this changed that man. Okay, and what happened next? The clocks ticked on. So number of clocks were there in his shop, right? And the clocks ticked on. That means, ticked on means, yes, there was a sound coming from the clock. Ray calmly wrote another message. So he wrote another message on that notepad. Have you come to pick up a clock or watch? So he asked that क्या आप कोई clock या watch लेने के लिए आए हो? Then he pointed to the lone board filled with hanging clocks and pocket watches. So what did he do? He just pointed. उन्होंने इशारा किया. He just pointed to the lone board. There was a board, lone board. Now what is loan? Loan is like if someone would give Ray any of the watch or anything, he would lend money. Okay, कि अगर कोई उनको कोई watch देते हैं तो in return Ray क्या करेंगे? उनको money दे देंगे. Right, and the person can come back and return the money, and then Ray will return the clock or watch. Okay, so he pointed at that lone board, and that lone board was filled with what? Hanging clocks and pocket watches. Hanging means to hang, latakna, right? So the clocks and pocket watches were hanging there. Now, he was not a pawnbroker. Now, pawnbroker, who's a pawnbroker? Students, it's like the people who are there who just, give money or lend money, and then, like if you give something to that pawnbroker, right, he will give you money. Okay, वो आपको उसके return में money देंगे. And when you will return the money, the person will charge interest. Now, what is interest? That he will take some extra money if you have given, like if he has given 100 rupees to you, right, and after 1 month you come back to him that yes, now you are giving your 100 money to that person and you want that watch or the thing that you have given to him as loan, right? So that person will charge you some extra money. That means you have to pay 120. So he never used to charge interest, and interest is like extra amount जो आपको pay करना होता है. Okay, so he never used to take extra amount or interest. Okay, and at the same time couldn't say no to the needy people who placed their old watches or clocks before him for anything they could get. Okay, so he could never say no to needy people. Okay, जो उनके पास watches लेके आते थे and in return Ray उनको money दे दिया करते थे. He loaned more than he should and he used to give more amount than he should. Okay, so he was a good-hearted person. They would be there when the owners wanted them back at the same price he had to pay with no interest. That means no interest was charged. They could take the same amount. Okay, then the older man seemed to feel a little easier, took out his hand from his pocket and quickly looked at the watch on his wrist. How much will you give me for this? The man wrote. So the man wrote, the man was having a watch, so he quickly asked that how much can you give me for this watch? Okay, उन्होंने कहा, the man who was there ना, who came to rob, okay, जो robbery करने आए थे, he said that I'm having this pocket watch, how much can you give this? Or wrist, I'm having this wrist watch. What is wrist watch? The watch that you tie on your wrist, जो आप हाथ पे watch पहनते हो, that is wrist watch. So he asked, how much can you give me for this? कि आप इस watch के लिए मुझे कितना amount दोगे? He wrote on that. Ray noticed a little shame in his grey eyes looking at him. The watch was nothing special and yet had great powers. So watch was nothing special. वॉच में कुछ स्पेशल नहीं था एंड ऑब्वियसली अकॉर्डिंग टू वॉच उनको मनी दिया जाता, राइट? इफ अ वॉच वॉज स्पेशल वन देन Ray would give much amount of money. It was something to exchange a way out of a bad situation. Knowing that great need had brought the man to his shop in the first place, Ray asked, how much do you need for it? Okay, now Ray asked that how much do you need for this? Ray ने क्या लिख के पूछा that आपको कितना amount चाहिए इसके लिए? The reply came back on the notepad, whatever it's worth. And reply क्या आया? Whatever it's worth. Worth is जितनी इसकी value है आप उतना amount मुझे दे दो. Right? Ray reached it into his cash box, pulled out a $50 note and passed it into the man's hand. अच्छा, तो रे ने कितना अमाउंट दिया उनको उस वॉच का? $50. As they shook hands means as they shake their hands, right? Shook is the next form of shake. उन्होंने अपने hands shake किए. Ray looked into the man's eyes. They seemed to say thank you. So they looked into each other's eyes, okay, and it was like it looked, ऐसा लगा जैसे तो वो दोनों एक दूसरे को क्या बोल रहे हैं? थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं. Okay, they both knew the watch wasn't worth that much. और दोनों को पता था कि that actually वो watch जो थी, that watch was not worth 50. That means उस watch की value $50 नहीं थी. But then also Ray gave him $50. Okay, before turning to leave, the man wrote, I will be back to pick it up as soon as I can. Merry Christmas. So the man at the end said that he just wrote that I will be back, कि मैं वापस आऊँगा just to pick up my watch. Okay, उन्होंने watch उनको दे दी थी ना रे को. So he was like, I will come back soon to pick my watch. Okay, and he said Merry Christmas because it was Christmas Eve. As you can see, Ray is handing over $50 to that man instead of wristwatch. Okay, wristwatch की जगह वो उनको कितना मनी दे रहे हैं? $50 दे रहे हैं. Okay, so he just went and said Merry Christmas, I'll come back soon to pick up my watch. The little story ended as the clocks started striking together. So at the after this, all the clocks started striking all together. Striking means ringing. Okay, all together. The timepieces which had been looking on silently all the while rang out the time with such a feeling that even Ray thought he could hear them. Even Ray ko laga that he's able to hear those watches. He is able to hear those clocks. Okay, their sweet musical message was filled with hope. Okay, जो उनका sweet message था और sweet ringing, it was filled with hope. The timeless message of peace on earth, goodwill towards all was felt by 3 men who stood in the old clock shop. Okay, so what is the message that we get? Peace on earth, that there should be peace on earth. Peace is where there is no violence or anything. Goodwill towards all, and we should respect everyone. It was felt by 3 men. Who were the 3 men? Ray and other 2 men who came in the shop, who stood in the old clock shop. So this message was felt by everyone because Ray also helped those men, right? And he respected them ना, instead of knowing, he respected them. उन्होंने उनकी respect की और उनकी help की. And help भी ज़्यादा की because that watch was not worth $50. Then also he gave $50 to them. Okay, so all the watches, all the wall clocks started striking, and even it looked as if Ray could also hear. Okay, and what is the message that we have got from this story? Peace on earth, goodwill towards all, that we should respect everyone and there should be peace on earth. Okay, so students, read the story. Here your story comes to this comes to an end. So we all should be good to others like Mr. Ray was. He was so good to the robbers also, na, that even robbers got changed. Okay, they also felt bad that they were doing something wrong. Okay, so we all should be good to others so that peace prevails, जैसे कि Ray did. Okay, so we should help each other and respect each other. Right? Okay, even after knowing, उनको पता था कि robbers है, then also he behaved so nicely with them. Okay, so we should also have this quality in our life. Okay, students, so read the chapter thoroughly. For any query, you can contact me anytime. I'll see you all in your next class. Till then, just take care, students. Thank you.